everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a vegan omelette, and it's made using chickpea flour and corn flour. So you don't have to use corn flour, you can use potato flour or potato starch if you want, but this recipe is something that I've worked on for a while, and it's taken a long time to get to where I am with the omelette, and I'm really happy with it now. It's not too eggy, it's not too firm, it's just the perfect consistency. So I hope you like it, and yeah, this is the recipe. So for this recipe you're going to need some parsley, some spring onions, some garlic, a teaspoon of baking powder, some nutritional yeast, onion powder, turmeric, chickpea flour, corn flour, half an onion, one peeled potato, and some silken tofu, or a whole packet of silken tofu. But all of the measurements for the ingredients will be in the description below, so don't worry, I'll have all of those written out for you. You also need some salt and pepper as well. And this part's totally optional. If you'd like to chop up some mushrooms and garlic, that's up to you. I don't really like mushrooms, but Alex likes them, so I like to cook them as well. And then you're going to chop up the potato, not too thick because it'll take ages to cook, so just chop them up sort of that size, and chop up your garlic and onion as well. And then in a pan, this is just a non-stick pan, add some olive oil and cook the onion and garlic on medium heat until nice and translucent and golden. And then you're going to get the potatoes ready, so put them in a bowl and put a lid over them. I just used like a ceramic bowl and a ceramic lid, and then just put them in the microwave for 4 minutes, and they'll just steam in there until they're ready. And then chop up the spring onion into just small pieces, so the smaller the better, because then it's just going to cook much faster. And then you're just going to cook all of that for about 5 minutes, not very long because the onions are pretty much cooked, and the spring onion and herbs don't take that long to cook. Then you're going to take the potatoes out of the microwave and just put them on top of the onions and garlic, and just, they're really hot though, be careful when you take them out of the microwave because they're boiling. And then just place them around, you don't need to cook them, they're already cooked. And then you're going to get everything ready for the omelette ingredients. So put in the silken tofu, the nutritional yeast, basically all the other ingredients that's left. Just put them all in there and then blend them until you get a pretty thick consistency. So I'll show you what the consistency looks like in a sec. So then you're going to pour the batter on top of the potatoes, and it doesn't have to be super neat, just as long as it's covering all the potatoes and kind of evenly distributed. And then you're going to cover that and cook it on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes, making sure not to burn the bottom of it. And then once it looks like it's sort of half cooked, or around the edges it's kind of going a bit golden, you're going to put it under the grill for another 5 minutes. Just keep checking it so it doesn't burn, and then if you press your finger on top it should come out quite springy. And then leave it to cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're ready to cut it.